Hello everyone, this is High Tech Talk. So in this video I will tell you how to get love meter Instagram filter. So for this you need to search for a particular user as you can see on my screen. You can also find the username in my video description. So you need to click on this emoji icon here and you need to scroll down. Yeah, here you can see love meter Instagram filter. So just click on this one, and if you want to save this filter to your Instagram filter list, then you can click on
Love
this
meter
one,
works
or else you can
1%.
click on try it. And once you open this screen, you need to click on tap to continue. 10%. So in this way you can use this filter. So thanks for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.